In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your bank account information for direct deposit in TurboTax. First, sign in to your TurboTax account, either on the official website in a browser or through the TurboTax mobile app. Use your regular account login and make sure you're on a secure connection. Once you're in, open your existing return so you can make changes. Next, navigate to the area of the program that handles filing. On most screens, this is labeled File, and in some versions you may see a Refund section. You're looking for the place where TurboTax summarizes how you'll receive a refund or make a payment. If you're on mobile, you may need to open the menu to find File or Refund. Inside that filing area, look for Bank Account or Direct Deposit. Select Change or Edit to open the bank details form. This is where you'll update the account that TurboTax will use for your refund or for an electronic payment. Carefully enter your new routing number and account number. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank. The account number points to your specific account and can vary in length. You can usually find both at the bottom of a paper check or inside your bank's app. Be sure to choose the correct account type, checking or savings, so funds go to the right place. Type the numbers exactly as shown, no spaces or symbols, and double-check every digit. Small typos can delay a refund or cause a payment to fail. If your bank uses separate numbers for ACH transfers, use those. When you're done, save your changes. TurboTax will return you to the filing flow, where you can review a summary that shows your updated deposit or withdrawal details. Continue through the remaining filing steps so the program applies your new information to this return. Keep in mind that once you transmit your return, the direct deposit or debit details are sent as part of the filing, and they generally can't be changed afterward. Before you finish, confirm that the name on the return matches the name on the bank account, and that the account is open and able to receive ACH deposits or withdrawals. If anything looks off, go back to Edit and fix it now. When everything looks good, proceed to File as usual. That's it, your bank details are updated and will be used for your refund or payment.